Hello friends, welcome. My name is Dev and today we are going to see how can we install Kali Linux in our Windows. So for installing Kali Linux in our Windows operating system, we need a virtualization software. For this video, we are using Vmware Workstation. You can also use Oracle VirtualBox or Windows Hyper-V, etc. So now let's install Vmware Workstation. Go to this link, Workstation Player. VMware download for free. Go to downloads and let's download it for now. So now let's download our Kali Linux ISO. Always download your Kali Linux images from this website. It's the official website of Kali Linux, kali.org. Now let's download it. We can use bare metal or virtual machines. The difference is that in virtual machines they are pre-built, so you can just import your virtual machine into your VirtualBox and use it. But now we are using the bare metal. I will show you the installation steps. It will be very helpful since you can customize your operating system according to you. Okay, now it's downloading. I have already downloaded the files here, so I'm cancelling this downloads and I will show you from here. This is the workstation player. So now let's open it. Click on next and accept the terms. Enhanced keyboard driver. Next, next, install. Now it's installing. As simple as that. So now click on finish. I will reboot it later. Okay. So now let's open our VMware. This is the player. Now click on here, create a new virtual machine, and then select it from here, Kali Linux. Okay, it's selected. Now Linux and version is other Linux kernel 64-bit. Next, the name of the machine is Kali Linux and I want to store it here on my VMs folder and the name should be Kali. Next, now it's according to you, you can specify the disks you want, but the minimum disk requirement is 30 GB. I am specifying 60 GB here and store it as a single file. Next, now you can customize your hardware according to the system you are using. My system is a bit powerful, so I am specifying 4 GB of memory and processor number of cores will be 4. Okay. And here in the network adapter you can use bridged. In bridged it will be configured directly with your router or the access point, and in NAT it will use to share the IP of the host. So I'm selecting bridged here, close it and click on finish. Now play the virtual machine. graphical install. Now it's installing. Click on English. It's your specification. I am from India, so I'm selecting my territory, India. American English. Now the host name. In the host name, it's set Kali by default. The host name is the name which you use to identify a system in your network. I'm using Kali. Then you can specify the domain name if you want to join Kali Linux to a specific domain or DNS. I have no domain selected. Now your full name, continue, username, and select a password. For the sake of this video, I am using password, but please select a strong password when you are using it. Now for partitioning the disk, you can use the guided partition and all files in one partition. It is user friendly for new users. And finish partitioning, write changes. Now it will take some time to install. I am fast forwarding the video. Now here you can select the specific environment you want to use. XFCE is user friendly and Genome is more like Windows, I think. I like KDE Plasma, but for this video I am using XFCE as more users prefer that. Now again it will take some time. It depends on the resource you provide to your virtual machine. I'm again fast forwarding the video. Okay, now it's installed and it's asking for the grub bootloader. You can install it or not, but I prefer to install that. Install it in your primary drive. It's installing. So here our Kali Linux has been installed. Now click on continue and it's finishing and it's rebooting to our new system. So now Dave and password is password. Now I want you to show some basic settings. Okay, so now let's install some tools. First we need OpenVM tools. Password, click on yes. Okay, now it's installed and now we can change our display size. Now go to settings here, click on display and resolution. My monitor is 1080 pixel, so I'm using 1920 cross 1080 and keep this configuration. Now let's do some another settings. At first, type sudo su for gaining root and then your password. Clear the screen and type tpkg hyphen reconfigure kali hyphen grant hyphen root and enable passwordless privilege escalation. By using it, we can just simply type sudo su without specifying our password or anything regarding sudo, just by typing here sudo nano /etc a. See, another setting, type sudo nano /etc/lightdm/lightdm.conf. Now here, come below yeah, now you can see auto login user and auto login timeout. Remove the hash before them and in the auto login user type your username. Mine is Dev. Click Ctrl O, enter and Ctrl X to exit. Now what this will do? This will bypass the login screen which we had typed first for password and username. It will bypass that. Now click on apt update. This will update the source file. Oh, I forgot to add sudo apt update. Okay, now sudo apt upgrade. This will upgrade all the files and the tools which are present in the Kali Linux. Now it will take so much time. Let's cancel it. Ctrl C, clear the screen. So you can do that. It will take some time, so I'm not doing that. Just upgrade the system and reboot. It will complete your full Kali Linux installation. And the tweaks I did, you can also do that for some enhancement of your experience. So that's it for today. We will meet you in the next video.